Hey everyone, how's everyone doing? What's everybody doing today, tonight, wherever you are? I know I say the same thing in every video, I know it's annoying. It's super windy here. So I'll show you what's going on. Oh, and the tide's in as well, so that's good. But yeah, I'll show you what's going on. It's super windy. It's absolutely nuts. But blue skies today, which is good. I've got a little bit of cloud. You might not be able to hear me because it's so windy. But see down there, the tide in? Which is good. I think it's heading out though. Because it's not that deep. It's not deep, so yeah. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But yeah, see? The wind's so loud and so bad. It's like, holy hell. It's nuts. Like, it's actually blowing my screens and making a really loud noise. It's freaking annoying. So, tide's not in down there though. But yeah, see? And see, if you can see it, look, there's like little ripples in the water. It's freezing. It's so cold. I'm gonna have to go back inside in a minute. Woo-wee. It's good. It's good in a way because it's waking me up a bit. Because I'm so tired. But far out, it's bloody cold. Yeah. I'm gonna go back inside because I'm bloody freezing. I've got my winter pajamas on, see, and a hoodie on. Yeah. So like I say in every single video, please, if your friends, family, or other people, can you please subscribe? I say this in every video because I'm not getting the subscribers. I've only got 15 subscribers. And can you please like if you like this video, and please comment, because like I keep saying, I'm only getting a couple of comments and I'd love to hear how everyone's doing and what everyone's up to. That would be absolutely amazing. I'd love to read the comments and I'd love to build my YouTube channel. And also I would love to hear what you guys want me to post, because I keep posting the same kind of things and I'm sure you guys are getting bored with it. So please give me some ideas of what you would like me to post, and I will try my hardest to do that. Today I made chicken nuggets and fish, and I'm going to have for lunch, I'm going to have chicken nuggets, baked beans and microwave chips, and then for dinner I'm going to have chicken nuggets, chips, and I've got chocolate chip brioche rolls that my body seems to tolerate because it's low sugar. So I have some of those if I'm still hungry after dinner. Yeah, so it'll be really good if, yeah, especially Yeah. So friends, family, because I post on all my social medias. I post on Facebook, I post on TikTok, I post on Messenger, WhatsApp. So yeah, and I might start posting on these on Instagram as well. Yeah, okay, this video is getting a bit longer than I thought it was going to be. It was going to be a short video, but it's like nearly 6 minutes long. So yeah, so I'm going to go back inside and I'm going to finish watching a YouTube, and then I'm going to have my lunch. Right, bye.